In this video, I'm snowboarding down the Bunny Boulevard, a blue trail at Suicide 6. It's a nice blue trail, and on this day the conditions were good with a nice layer of snow on it. I'm going to focus on connecting my Heelside and Toeside turns on my snowboard. I'll also fit a few ground spins now and then to keep things fun. I have my GoPro positioned in front of me so I can analyze my posture and angles of my snowboard as it connects its turns in the snow. I'm also trying to improve, so if you have any tips on how to snowboard better, please share them in the comments below. I would welcome any constructive criticism. Suicide 6 is a ski resort based in Pomfret, Vermont, near Woodstock, Vermont. It's owned by the Woodstock Inn. It's really convenient for us since we visit Woodstock often as a family, and it's only an 8-minute drive from Woodstock. There are many restaurants, stores, and activities in Woodstock, so I highly recommend visiting Woodstock and Suicide 6. It has an interesting history. It claims to be the first ski resort. It was founded in 1934. Someone had set up a rope tow to bring skiers to the top of a small hill to ski. The rope tow was actually powered by an old Ford Model T. Soon after that, a former Dartmouth ski coach named Bunny Bertram took over the operations and began to improve the ski resort. He developed a nearby hill, which was called Hill Number 6. He had joked that to ski down that hill would be suicide. So that's where it got its name, Suicide 6. In 1961, the ski resort was later sold to Lawrence Rockefeller, who was developing nearby Woodstock Inn and other things like the Billings Farm. And that's why the inn owns Suicide 6. Alright, so I crashed. I left that in the clips. Hope you enjoyed that. Anyways, with Rockefeller Development continued on the ski resort. Interestingly, I also read that the first national snow surfing championship, it was actually held here in 1982. That helped to develop snowboarding as we know it today. That's really cool because I love snowboarding, and now in 2020, here I am snowboarding at Suicide 6. So this is Bunny Boulevard. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I have other snowboarding videos on my channel. And like I said, if you have any constructive criticism or any tips on how I could snowboard better, I'm always open to comments, always trying to improve. So please share those in the comments below. I also have other action videos on my channel that you may enjoy. Thanks.